Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to have multiple Roblox open account at once, right? So this is one of my Roblox account. For example, this is one of my account here. And as you can see here, right, if I just want to add my another account at the same time, right, I can just go and go and switch account, right? So I can add my another account here. At the same time, I can just go keep adding my another account and I can switch account at once. But if you want to open different accounts at the same time, what you can do, you can just go and open a new private window here, right? And you can just make in this kind of here Roblox, all right? And I'll just write here login, and I can just log in into this Roblox account using my different account. At the same time, I can open two accounts or more than two accounts, as many as you want, on the same device on the same browser, right? So this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.